Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hamster cage accessories that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kaytee CritterTrail Food Dispenser Small Animal. Don't let your critter go hungry. Give it fresh seeds, nuts, and even pellets through the ingenious design of the CritterTrail Food Dispenser. Being a part of CritterTrail, you can easily connect this to other CritterTrail accessories while providing your pet with all the delicious and nutritious goodness it deserves. It also comes with an exterior mounting so the feed storage is conveniently located outside the cage while its feeding tray is inside. This gives you unparalleled ease of filling the dispenser with food while your pet gets unrestricted access to its favorite treats inside. Moving on at number 4, we have the MUMAX Hamster Toys. Easy to assemble and loved by hamsters, this 2-in-1 hamster toy from MUMAX is a great choice to populate your hamster cage. The wooden rainbow bridge is easy to put together, with the plates sliding into the pre-cut teeth, leaving you with a sturdy, odor-resistant bridge for your hamsters to explore. It also comes with a PVC seesaw, to help keep your hamster mentally stimulated as they explore their new cage toys. Ideal for smaller hamsters, this colorfully designed hamster toy is safe to chew. Meanwhile, it's small enough to fit into almost any size of cage, while being large enough to let smaller hamsters hide and sleep under the steps. At number 3, we have the Kaytee Ceramic Critter Bath. If you have dwarf hamsters for pets, then you know how much they love to roll on sand. This is to remove whatever organisms that may have clung onto their fur. Instead of getting an ordinary sand bath dish, you might want to get the Kaytee Ceramic Critter Bath. The Critter Bath is made of durable ceramic, not plastic, helping ensure your furry pal will never be able to gnaw on it. Simply add an appropriate sand material and watch your furry pals clean themselves up. At number 2, we have the Kaytee CritterTrail Small Animal Accessory Kit. You'll love watching your furry critter turn the CritterTrail Snap-on comfort wheel that comes integrated with a waste collector cup. This attachment keeps the area beneath the comfort wheel relatively clean and droppings-free. Best of all, the running surface of the comfort wheel is made of one continuous solid surface, so you eliminate the risk of your pet's feet getting stuck into the rungs of metal wheels. The surface is also designed to be comfortable for your critter's paws. It comes in various colors and is easily connectable to other CritterTrail accessories. And finally at number 1, we have the Rosewood Pet Play and Climb Kit. The Rosewood Pet Play and Climb Kit is a remarkable piece of critter play equipment that gives your critter the right tool to play and exercise. The kit comes in a puzzle-like design which you have to glue together to come up with the final structure. It is also made of wood, making it super safe for your hammy to chew on, saving you worry from it getting gastrointestinal upsets. The Rosewood Pet Play and Climb comes in 4 different designs. And if you have an extra large cage with several hamsters inside, you might want to get all 4 to keep everyone in the habitat happy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon